everyone, and welcome to How to Move Through Amsterdam. Today we're tackling the underground world of the metro.
That's right. If cycling's not your thing and you're overwhelmed by the traffic in the city, then the metro is a great alternative. First things first, you need to purchase your ticket. You can purchase a physical ticket at the service and tickets areas located just outside each major station.
Or, more conveniently, you can use OVP, which allows you to check in and out with your bank card or your phone.
You can also purchase a ticket via the GVB app, and you can connect your bank card to the app for more information on your journeys. Once you've got your ticket, keep it close by. You need it to check in and out of the metro area.
Simply tap your card in the machine and walk through the gates.
If you don't do this, you run the risk of getting a fine.
Pro tip, you can use your contactless bank card or mobile payment apps to check in and out, making it even easier. Remember, you need a charged phone for this.
Next, let's talk about navigating the metro. Amsterdam's metro system has several lines. For example, line 52 is a north-south line, and it's a blue line on the map.
The metro map might seem a bit complex at first, but don't worry. Each line is clearly marked and color-coded. You can find maps at every station in the metro and on the GVB app, as the Dutch say GVB, which is super handy for real-time updates.
Speaking of apps, the GVB app is handy for schedules, route planning, and any service alerts. It'll be your best friend for getting around efficiently.
Now, there's a few things to keep in mind when taking the metro. Usually they're really punctual, clean, and reliable.
Here's a few tips to make your ride even smoother. Pay attention to the announcements and the digital displays inside the metros. They will tell you the next stop and the line you're on.
Always check the destination before boarding. Metros sometimes split at major metro stations, so make sure you're on the right one.
Mind the gap. Be careful when stepping on and off the metro. There can be a small gap between the platform and the metro.
Stand to the side. Let people exit the metro first before going on board. This will make sure everyone's journey is smoother.
During rush hour, the metros can get crowded, so keep your belongings close and be prepared to stand.
Be courteous. Offer your seat to those who need it more, like elderly and pregnant passengers or people with disabilities. Now, the metro is great to speed up longer distances, but keep in mind that it doesn't stop everywhere in the city center. So if you want to go to places like Museumplein to visit the Rijksmuseum, you might be better off taking the tram, but more on that later.
If you want to explore outside the city center, the metros are your go-to, especially for neighborhoods like Amsterdam North and Zuidoost. Insider tip: if you're heading towards Amsterdam Oost, make a stop at the metro station Plein and have a bite to eat at the Hapjeshoek, a hidden Surinamese eatery that you don't want to miss. So, whether you're visiting museums, exploring the city, or just getting from point A to B, the metro is a fast and reliable way to get around the city.
Enjoy the ride and don't hesitate to ask staff or locals for help. They're usually happy to assist, unless it's really busy.
So, thanks for joining us on this journey.